Hello, I'm Tom Shields, Operations Director here at Pimbrook, and I'd just like to show you the latest release of our AccountsMate, our enhanced query tool for Sage 50, and this was released May 2021. The main areas that we concentrated here were supplier and customer debt aging, sales dispatches, purchase deliveries, and some nominal analysis. So if we jump straight in, the aging on customers and suppliers, we've added multiple methods. So you can now age by the default method, which is by account terms. You can age it by due date, payment due date, or by transaction date. And you can select the date that you want to age it from. Refresh the data. And there you go. So I'm aging by payment due there, both on suppliers and customers. This is in the overview screen. It's also available to you on the customers and supplier screen. So you've got aging here, and you've got the same methods up here. You can change the methods up there. I'll put it back to the default. Okay, so it's changed. And that's on the suppliers as well. The next section, as I mentioned, is sales dispatches. So the first part of that is from your sales order inquiry. You can choose a sales order, and there's a tab here there that you can look at the dispatches that came from that sales order. So you can see all the dispatched products and the quantities and the dates that they were dispatched from for that order. But you can also go in from the menu and look at the dispatches for a particular range, either all dispatches are within a date or account range. And from there, you can drill into who that dispatch was for, the customer, any communication you have with that customer, what order raised the dispatch, or what order was that dispatch for, and any invoice or credit note that were related to that dispatch. And this inquiry is not available in Sage 50 at the moment. You have to run reports to get a list of dispatches. Equally, on the supplier side of things, under purchase orders, you can see a tab with the deliveries of goods in, but also then from the menu, you can go to the deliveries inquiry and see all the deliveries within whatever criteria you want to put in there, and go back to either the supplier details or the order details that delivery is for. Okay. Finally, we've changed the nominal, where you can, if we go into the nominal analysis, which is available in the premium, but it's also you can also see this in the transactions list. We have added in the quarter column, so we can now analyze by quarter. So there's year, quarter, and month, and also down to week. Okay, and the categories of the nominals are now sorted in the chart of account sequence. So for example, in profit and loss, you've got sales first, then you've got purchases, direct expenses, and overhead. So it gives it more of a profit and loss, or indeed balance sheet feel. There are some other changes that we made behind the scenes in around the management, role management, and restricting companies to that. And there's been various performance enhancements in how the application deals with large amounts of data. So I hope you continue to use AccountsMate, and we'll talk to you very soon.